President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala, ubreru MP Brem na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ulapan pa Seng Congress kan 4 ekran halok election steng samoy syaka Lok Sabha haduk mendadak mashimanai hadin kejengklat no uba Ricky AJ Sengkon. Uba Vincent H. Pala ulakan thok jor ke Seng VPP halor kejeng Pynbna Kyrtong Plo Jongka. Ulong bakalong kebamihap ban kran kam sang perthai hakum kene kapor. Namar kumba khatar hadok katsan sngi dang shedap ja kejengklat no UMP Dr. Ricky Sengkon. Ulakro bagi bahayang bahasam kidang dan kejeng smusi bat kibreu kidang wan jengo ke yang kesam. Baru ulong bos ngo ba kamlong ka badai bane kran kamsan perthai hakum kene kapor. Habakali lara ka Kongres kane pun biang uba Vincent H. Pala ulapan pau bagaseng kalaban pa do Kyrtong batamai bane koni election. Dari kene karai an sashim Hadien blay selop hapok keseng. Lakentat bansyem rai ke bakloi bat ulas ngulungo ba kumno ka VPP kala bansyem karai tang hapok ki kendiat sing. Kani kejengkran uba Vincent H. Pala kawan Hadien baga VPP kala dapat Pynbna ba spokesperson jongka Dr. Batskam merbo unong Kyrtong jongka nakabinta ke election steng samoy. Ka VPP keladap banten kre Kyrtong jongka bat ka Kongres bat kerang bat ya kenong rem ban buram shwai kejeng snusi ke yang kesem. Bat bandang ape kapor ke babiang bansyem ya karai ke bakat dua.
Well, the by-election is too early because, now we believe that if somebody died, especially when the sitting MP died, we normally feel that still in the house people are still mourning normally up to a month. So we'll take a decision after a month. Number one is not only the family will be mourning, but the supporters also, many of supporters also. And very important is that when any sitting MP died, we have to inform the parliament, and the parliament will come in the gazettes, and then there'll be a obituary in the floor of the house. So the obituary has not been done in parliament. It should be done either on the 9th or 10th. And after that only, then we should talk about the politics. Very important, you should know that, Ricky Sengkon is not Sengkon, he is given to his father's title. Otherwise, he is Ricky Tariang. My wife also Tariang. So a lot of in my family also related to him. So I know the family well through my mother-in-law, father-in-law who are close to the family. So then still people are coming to the house. They have to yet to do many other things, especially many friends out of 5 lakhs people who voted for him. So many could come, many could not come. Some of friends may be at that time outside. So it's only 10-15 days after his death. I think it's ethically, I don't think that it's good for us to decide on the ticket, to rush for the election, because we have 6 months time. We have to do within 6 months. Enough time. There's no point to rush. Otherwise, it will be like insult to the family who have just had a big shock. It's not a normal death. It's a strategy which we cannot imagine. Therefore, we have to wait till the family also feels that it's good. Then we have a respect to the MP also who was there when he was MP, and we have respect to the chair also, we respect to the family also, and I think let the parliament also finish the obituary and then we decide. I think there's something wrong in the VPP. They only lip service to Ricky Sengkon. Otherwise, what's the hurry for them? Till the parliament has not been even finished the obituary, what's the point for them to be in hurry? It's only 10-12 days only. There is something wrong for them. Maybe they want to give a ticket to someone. So that doesn't look nice in our culture. This is what I stand. They may have a different feeling, but my feeling, many of our people also, senior people, we discuss. He said, no, don't do it, because it'll be like, you don't respect the family, you don't respect the sentiments of the people. So this is normally will happen. I think maybe they thought that election will be within 2-3 months, and the VPP is a party which is in the district council also. They have 4 MLAs also. I think they should have thought better. instead of anyway. Since they have gone it ahead, I think they know better than us. But this is what I'm feeling. 100% Congress will contest. Only who will contest? That is a matter of we have to decide. That decision is not by me alone. It's not by the NPCC alone. The AICC has to agree on that. We have to inform the ICC. So we will start a process of inviting who's the aspirants who want to be there. So we'll start. So, but 100% we will contest and we'll announce at the appropriate time. But I think we should do well this time because we have enough time to prepare for the election. So I'm very confident that the people has experienced all other parties, and definitely people look back to the Congress.